Sixth grade adapted food and nutrition test. Please pause the video to record your responses. Please type your name. Identify the abbreviation for cup. Identify one of the abbreviations for teaspoon. Identify one of the abbreviations for tablespoon. Give the correct equivalences for the following. 1 tablespoon has how many teaspoons? What is an example of a solid ingredient? What is an example of a liquid ingredient? What is an example of a dry ingredient? Measuring, Part 1. Identify the name of the utensil and the category of the ingredient that is measured using that utensil. What is the name of this utensil? What are the two categories of ingredients that are measured in this utensil? Measuring, Part 2. Identify the name of the utensil and the category of ingredient that is measured using that utensil. What is the name of this utensil? What is the category of ingredient that is measured in this utensil? Measuring, Part 3. Identify the name of the utensil and explain how it is used. What is the name of this utensil? Why or how do we use this utensil? Measuring, Part 4. Identify the name of the utensil and explain how it is used. What is the name of this utensil? Why or how do we use this utensil? Measuring, Part 5. Identify the name of the utensil and explain how it is used. What is the name of this utensil? Why would you use this equipment? Kitchen safety. The following questions are on kitchen safety. Please choose only one answer. List 2 things that can be found in the kitchen that can be used to put out a fire. Which of these should not be used on a grease or electrical fire? water, baking soda, salt, fire extinguisher. What is the best way to put out a burning bagel that is stuck in the toaster? Throw water on it. Use a wet dish towel. Pull the bagel out with a fork. Unplug the toaster and throw baking soda on it if it's still on fire or burning. Which one of these should not be used in the microwave? Plastic wrap, glass bowls, aluminum foil, paper towels. What is the first thing you should do before you begin cooking? Wash your hands, get out the drain mat, turn on the oven. Clean up responsibilities. Choose the best answer based on the responsibilities in the kitchen. Fills the sink halfway with hot, soapy water and sets the drain mat up. Dishwasher, dryer, counter cleaner. Wipes off the counters, stovetop, canisters, and table with a wet dishcloth. Dishwasher, dryer, counter cleaner. Washes the dishes with a dishcloth and hot, soapy water. Dishwasher, dryer, counter cleaner. Returns all cleaned and dried equipment to the proper cabinet or drawer. Dishwasher, dryer, counter cleaner. Dries all cleaned and rinsed dishes with a clean, dry towel. Dryer, counter cleaner, dishwasher. Microwave. For the following questions, please answer true or false based on class discussions. A microwave should be preheated before cooking something in them. True or false? Never run a microwave on empty. True? False. Pot holders should be used to remove plates and bowls from the microwave because these items do get hot in the microwave. True? False. Never put anything metal in the microwave. True? False. MyPlate. Correctly label the parts of the USDA MyPlate. You will need to correctly label the parts of the plate with the name of the food group, and then list 3 examples of each food group. What are the 5 food groups on the MyPlate? List them in any order. Give 3 examples for each food group. What are 3 examples of fruits? What are 3 examples of vegetables? What are 3 examples of grains? What are 3 examples of protein? What are 3 examples of dairy? Nice job. You have finished your test and you can find something quiet to do. Thank you.